Alright, here's a quick typing test of this Olivetti Studio 44. It's an Underwood Olivetti actually. And made in Spain. The Olivetti plant. So I have the lid, but I thought it'd be fun to do this without the lid on. Sort of see the inner working since I'm doing an overhead video. So let's do a typing test. This is a poem by Wallace Stevens, a book that a dear friend gave me. Let's make sure our margins are set. Okay. Let's get our page markers up. All right. Oh, and the carriage is locked. All right, good to go. Okay, so I lost my place while I was doing all this. It's a poem I like called "The Wind Shifts." Honestly, these are very nice to type on, and I had it at no spacing, so now it's doing it. It's a very gentle typing experience. It's really nice. It's different from other typewriters, but these are really nice, and this is one in perfect condition. In a lot of my videos I point out that when these typewriters are in good shape, they enable perfection. They make it easier for you to type perfectly. And this is certainly one. That said, I would not say that's true of every typewriter, but these, yeah. It's a great typewriter. This machine is pica, 10 characters per inch, so it's going to have really clear text, which is nice. Oops. I didn't hit it with my pinky strong enough. Still, no errors on the type, which is nice. That's actually one of the ways these typewriters help. If you do a mishit that's too light, it won't hit, and so you don't get the error. You can correct it without having to worry about it. All right. So that's visible, but yeah, perfect. Done just the way we like it. So here's the test of the type and the vertical alignment. So did those in red, do these in black. So no one key on here, which means you're going to use a lowercase l for that. And there it is. Let's see if we can get a clear shot here. All right.